In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use or set a 12-hour clock for your display on your MacBook device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is select the Apple icon up in the menu bar and then select System Settings. On the left panel, select General, and then on the right side, scrolling down, select Date and Time. And there should be an item that says 24-hour time. If that's toggled to the right, it means it's enabled. Click inside that oval to turn to the left until it's grayed out, and that is all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.